I have to become fluent in English. That's why I'm recording, practicing daily English, and I am on my floor, and you can see the weather of my area. It's quite cold outside, and the cold air are also blowing, so I feel cold while recording this video, and that's okay. People might think about what she is doing. Is she mad? But you don't have to care about people's and things. Just have to improve yourself. Improving. See you in front of camera, and these things help help us to help you to improve your confidence, improve your communication skill. It's also help you to improve your communication skill, and that's all you needed. You have to do that. You have to record yourself daily, at least daily. You have to record. If you don't have any topic, you can casually just talk about yourself, but do it daily. It will really help you to improve yourself.